And what is over here?
Okay, so we're gonna make a spicy pineapple foam. So this is just straight juice. This isn't, it has no acidity to it. This is just straight juice. We're gonna add some a red chili liqueur,
Ooh.
a little bit of Mexican hot sauce.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add salt and sugar to kind of balance this out. So that's kind of like where we started. And then the magic here is the foam magic. So the foam magic is pre-hydrated, right?
Yes.
And so it doesn't clump, which is amazing. So we're gonna go into our foam whipper with this, and I'm only gonna do one charge. You could probably do two. I really wanted to incorporate into the drink. I don't want it to be like super stiff. I think one charge is gonna get us there just fine. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll just kind of shake it a little bit to get the gas incorporated, and then I reserve this in the fridge until we're ready to build our cocktail. All right, and so that's a perfect amount of headspace for our foam.
Ooh, that looks so good.
The texture's good, right?
Yeah.
It's really nice. All right, so we have this now spicy pineapple foam on top of our cocktail. It's got the little bit of spice. It's got the fresh pineapple.
That is dangerously good. Oh my god.